making a video.
What's the video about?
The police station. Would you mind identifying, please?
Huh?
Would you mind identifying?
You've already identified me. That's
No, but you
fine.
have to identify yourself.
I don't have to. If I'm
don't.
stopping and searching you, then I do, okay? But I've got my surname, I've got a shoulder number, and you've already said that, okay? And the camera will pick it up as well. Can I ask why you're filming into the police station?
We've just got an interest in it.
You've got an interest?
Yeah.
Well, if you're interested, do you want to ask me any questions? Happily give you an escorted tour and we can arrange that.
Can we do that now?
But if you're just filming it, not right now, we can make an appointment or we can sort
Come on, you just said it. Like, what else are you doing? Let's do it now.
Sir, I'm saying you can't do it right now, okay? That's unreasonable because we've got a job that we're doing. But if you're filming into the police station, well within my rights to ask why you're doing that because nobody else is doing it, okay? It's not a regular thing.
All right, then I've got a question.
Hold on, let me finish. You don't need to film why we're coming in and out and what we're doing inside here, okay?
Are you aware of what it is?
No, because you haven't told me. You said you're filming.
I feel like you do. I feel like you would be aware of what this is.
I have no idea.
Really?
Why?
What do you think that our purpose is?
Please tell me.
You said
I've told you my purpose. Why I'm out
here.
here. I'm asking, what is your purpose? That's the first question I asked you.
I've said I have an interest in the police.
No, you said in the police station.
Yeah, I've got an interest in the police station.
What is that interest?
Nothing bad, but what do you think this is? You're sergeant.
I have no idea. That's why I'm asking.
But what would you?
I'm not a mind reader, and I'm treating you with some courtesy.
I appreciate that.
I credit you with the intelligence to just have a conversation with me. That's all.
We can have a conversation, but I'm just obviously you said that I could ask you a question. So obviously my question would be, if you were to guess, what would you believe my purpose is today?
We don't guess. We ask questions with cops.
Okay, well that was my question.
Guessing is on a slippery slope.
This guy's smart,
We'll start making.
Well, have you come out here to have some sort of?
Smart. It's a conversation.
Have you come out here to have some intellectual duel? Because I feel like you're not letting on.
I'm a supervisor, and I need to know why you're looking here. Corporately, I have to look after my staff, etc.
Corporately?
Okay? Yeah, because we're an employer, aren't we? Yeah, so the Met Police is an employer, like any other company. Yeah, let's say a shop or whatever, and you're coming and looking into the staff room. Yeah, manager's going to ask you why.
But you're gonna let us keep filming, aren't you?
Well, it's a public place. Of course, you can film me. I haven't got an issue with that. But filming into there, I have an issue.
We can film in there as well, though.
I've got an issue with that, though.
So if I was to do this,
then you already are doing it. So I'm asking you why.
Okay, well, have you got any powers? Have you got any powers to stop? Have you got any powers to stop me?
I never asked to stop you.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. Like, I'm not overly interested in.
I don't need powers. It's my right to have a conversation with you.
But do you not think it's all a little bit in vain if you can't do anything about it?
Officers have personal vehicles in there. So are you filming license plates so you can follow people off? Yeah? It's a risk. No. Hello, sorry. Yeah, but it's a risk. Because it is, I'm not saying it's yourselves, but it is a tactic for some people where they'll film people coming out of here and follow them off. Yeah?
What, in broad daylight in front of your face?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. It's happened.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go into the details of that, but yeah, terrorism threat.
Really? What, in broad daylight?
Yeah.
So this can all be seen on Google Earth, though?
Yeah, that's fine. But it's a fixed image, isn't it? You filming people coming out.
I feel like a prospective terrorist wouldn't make it so easy for you to
credit those people with intelligence. Okay?
I said prospective.
Don't credit such people with intelligence. They're not incredibly intelligent people. And also on top of that,
have you dealt with a lot of terrorists?
And also on top of that, okay. If you think about how a terrorist behaves, do they want to be all clandestine or do they want to get as much attention as possible in doing stuff?
I mean, yeah. So you just said it. If a terrorist was to kind of
then they would
plan an attack,
they won't do it in the middle of the night.
They'll do it in broad
daylight.
No, I mean an attack. I don't think a police station is a valuable target for a terrorist.
Okay, you might.
I feel like civilian dense places would be a target.
I'm not going to go into the details.
No, because this is a secure building. You lot are trained. You lot, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but you're filming inside a secure building. So why are you filming inside a secure building? There's a question. You just
is it not secure?
You've led yourself into that question.
I haven't really. Well, you've just said that it's secure. So if it's secure, you've got nothing to worry about.
But then why are you filming it?
Because I've got an interest in the police station. It's not a negative. I feel like you've sussed out that we're not here for any trouble.
No, but you're not being very clear about
I can tell by your demeanour that you don't think I'm a threat.
My demeanour is open and I'm standing like this. I've got no intention to grab hold of you or anything.
Yeah, of course.
My demeanour, right, I am totally
So credit, so should you be. So I'm giving you credit for that.
Let's not talk about my demeanour, okay, because that's not an issue, okay? But if you're filming a secure building, it's not an issue because you're having a conversation.
This guy just come out to be on camera, you know. Yeah, you did, man.
Just to be on camera.
You know what time it is, man. You know what this is. Classes in session and you're doing well.
No, I'm not.
You're doing well right now.
It's not about doing well, but I've got a duty of care to my staff.
All right, man.
If you're filming a secure location, you might be looking up, okay, how do we prepare about how we get in here? What are the vulnerabilities? How do I get over the wall, etc., etc.? Who can I follow off and intimidate them and all sorts of stuff? It's not impossible. Yeah, that's why I've got to come and ask you the question. I don't know. So
have I satisfied that? We're not here for that.
No, because I still don't
know. So how are you going to satisfy that?
I don't know who you're uploading that to or whatever.
Okay.
You tell me more about what you're doing. You tell me more about what you're doing. And you know what?
No, to be honest, Sergeant, like
everyone else is just walking past. You were stood here filming people at the gate.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. So with all due respect,
I don't. Someone comes out here on blue lights.
Are you going to let me talk or what?
What if someone comes out here on blue lights?
Are you going to let me talk or not?
Go on then.
So with all due respect, you want an explanation, but technically I don't actually have to give you an explanation. I'm in a public place. I'm doing something legal. You know, I can just keep quiet.
If my suspicion crosses a threshold, I may use a police power.
No, you can't do that though. No, you can't do that though.
You don't think?
Nah, I don't think you should.
Stop and search under the Terrorism Act?
Yeah. Ooh.
There are powers.
You don't want to do that, you know.
No, listen.
Come on, Sergeant, we've had a nice chat. Let's not go down that route, you know.
Well, then listen. Then help allay my fears about why you're filming into the building.
Because if I was a prospective terrorist, listen. Don't be saying stuff like Section 43, this and that. If you thought I was a terrorist, I'd expect you to come and grip me. I'd expect you to come and grip me straight away.
I don't need to because I'm talking.
No, I would expect you. I would expect you to.
It's a power that I've got. Okay. I'm not afraid to use it if I feel I can use it, but right now I don't feel like I need to. So don't, just because I mention it.
So what? So you're going to use it if I don't explain my presence here?
Just because I mention it doesn't mean I'm going to then do all these other things, right?
You come out strong at the start, and now you're
because you said to me I didn't have certain powers and I couldn't lay hands on you. And I'm telling you this, I can if there are powers there that I think I can use.
Okay.
Yeah?
Do you think
doesn't mean that you then say, oh, so you're going to use these? No. Just because I'm telling you they're available doesn't mean I'm going to use them.
I love this guy. So
an intelligent
you have to, you're smart.
Exactly.
You're smart. How would you reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist?
Reasonably,
yeah.
There could be a whole load of reasons. and if I was going to detain you and do all of that stuff, then I'd write it on a bit of paper, on a stop slip, and I'll give it to you as grounds for detention or a search. But at the moment, I ain't got that, so I'm not. So why do I need to explain it? I don't need to because it's not there. I'm having a conversation with you. Because you seem like a nice guy.
I'm alright.
You've just been a little bit difficult because you need some content for your online stuff.
Okay, so you know what time it is. I told you. See, I told you that you knew what time it was.
How did we get there?
But I knew. You knew already. See, I can read you, man. The minute you come out here, your demeanour, you're relaxed. You know what time it is. Yeah, because you know what time it is. You know what this is.
Because
so why are you talking about terrorists and that?
Because I've got no reason.
You've come out to talk to the camera.
I've got no problem. No, I'm talking to you. At what point have I looked at the camera? No,
got some muscles and that.
Talks about demeanour.
Good looking guy and that. He wants to be on camera.
You know what? You're just making me blush now. I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
And he's got charisma as well. So he knows he's like me. He knows he's good in front of camera, innit?
No.
So that's why he's come out.
No, but it's my job to come and speak to you.
Why were the others not talking to me?
Because I'm a supervisor. I hear that someone's filming in the nick. I've got to come have a look.
But it's not good to have that blue line. A lot of people don't like that.
What blue line?
The blue line. You're defacing the British flag.
Defacing the British flag.
Yeah. I don't know. A lot of people hold that opinion. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm indifferent towards it, but.
You have a view on that. You have a view.
I'm indifferent towards it, but
you're not saying much. What's your again? You got 2 cameras.
He's just my backup. He's the muscle.
The backup.
He's like you. He's like you.
Him. I want to be like him when I grow up. Just be filming this guy. Put him on the camera.
No.
Seriously, in terms of security threat and risk.
I can film through the gate though. I'm going to keep filming through the gate though. I know you don't like it, but
I don't like it because there's people. Look, there's people with personal vehicles in there. Okay.
Yeah. Well, if they should come get the bus to work then. If they're concerned about that. Yeah, you got cameras all. You got cameras everywhere.
It's our fault for coming and doing our job. You can't flip it that way.
All right. I'll tell you what.
If you're doing stuff that looks suspicious, I've got to have a conversation with you. It's no different from stop and search. If I come and speak to you, you're either going to heighten my suspicions or they're going to fizzle out because I've had a conversation.
I'll tell you what. Yeah, you've been reasonable, so I'll be reasonable. I'll make a conceited effort not to film anyone's registration plate.
Where can I get on YouTube to see the video? I want to see how I look. How did I come out?
You look good, man. Trust me, you look good. Don't worry about it.
What's the channel? Where is it?
Don't worry about the channel. You'll find out, man. It's your job. You've got to investigate. Carl, you're a sergeant, man. You go do a little bit of investigation. You'll find out.
I'm not that intelligent.
Yeah, you are, man. You got this. Sergeant XL, man. He's excelling.
I wear a uniform. I go out and patrol. I don't do the detective stuff.
Oh, you don't do all that stuff, no.
Go
on, get your notepad. I'll write it down. I'll tell you what it is.
Unless you wanted to. Oh, you can tell me what it is.
Yeah, I'll tell you the YouTube.
You're gonna spin me a line, aren't you?
Nah, I ain't gonna play. I've told you with you enough, man.
I've even left my notebook upstairs. I come down so quickly to come and see you.
Alright. I'm flattered. Alright, so you can write. My hands are a little bit occupied right now. So it's Kilo.
You need some new Air Maxes though.
Omega.
That's trying to write
I said real talk. I need some new Air Max, but obviously we're doing a lot of footwork. You know what I'm saying? We're getting about. I'm not trying to wear the fresh ones.
But it's just one police station you're interested in. You're saying you're interested in more than one.
Various.
What's the footwork about?
You know what I'm saying? We do mileage, man. We get about, man. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to come out with the fresh ones. Anyway, Kilo, Omega, Lima, Echo, Bravo, Echo, Romeo, Kilo, Sierra. Coley Bucks. You ain't heard that name before. He's just some idiot, man. It's not me, it's someone else's channel. Nah, no.
Are you uploaded to him or is that you? Or
nah, Coley Bucks is me, but.
So what is it? Is it community concern about us?
Alright, I'll tell you what it is. Essentially, it's called the PINAC movement. Photography is not a crime, and essentially, what you do is you go film kind of public buildings